Hello friends, TechManPat here. Today we are unboxing a banana. Nope, not a banana, but for size, we have the really thin iPhone 12 box, which obviously does not come with a charger, hence the thickness of it, as you can see. But we are going to let this banana go and hopefully get eaten one day, so we'll put that to the side. Today we're gonna unbox the iPhone 12 Blue, or Ocean Blue, and it's the Pro Edition. It's gonna be Pro because Apple says it is Pro. On the back, we've got a little plastic tab we're gonna pull open, and in all Apple fashion, they are still using plastic because that's really good for the environment. But hey, no charger. Good stuff, Apple. Look at all the turtles that are gonna get killed with this plastic. In any case, we're not supporting Apple by buying their products, but we are technically. So the box is obviously a lot thinner, so it's easier to lift. It doesn't have that little airy gap that it used to when you lift it. So we're just gonna slowly lift it up and reveal the blue phone. Wow, okay. Gotta give it to Apple. It does look pretty darn beautiful. Look at that. And look at that pan-fry cameras right there. You could cook some eggs on that. The logo is a little bit hidden. It's matte all around, but the logo itself is kind of glassy. And there's a little tab here to pull, and we're gonna pull that up, and we get to see the squareness of the phone. There it is. Obviously on the back, it still has the glass, and it's not the ceramic front that has been touted as a very strong drop-resistant material. Nope, on the back, we've just got plain glass. And obviously this is all glass. So the only good thing is, no more fingerprint magnets, because looking at the XR, fingerprints galore. It's shiny and there's fingerprints, as you can see. So on the side, let's put this here and take off the cover. And there's the front. Look at that glassy front. Look at that camera. Look how pretty it is. It's a mirror. Where's my face? Hello. There it is. Wow. That is so clean. And that's it. It's nice and square. It's got the iPhone 5 look, which is, to me, I absolutely loved. It is shiny around the outside, which I don't like, because it's probably just gonna scratch really easily. But on the side, we've got the rocker for on-off in regards to your volume and silence. We've got the actual sound volume there. We've got the SIM card slot, the camera's on the side here, and we've got the lock button, which is a little bit smaller and actually quite easy to press now. And on the top, we've got nothing. And of course on the bottom, nope, no 3.5mm jack, just the, wow, that's weird. There's only 3 holes for this and 5 for that. That looks very uneven, Apple. What is going on? What is going on with this design? That looks terrible. But you know what? It feels absolutely fantastic in my hand. I'll give him that. That is brilliant feeling. Feels like it's not gonna fall out, but I'm gonna drop it, it'll probably crack. But in any case, it feels like it's not gonna fall out. So, what else have we got in the box? Let me put that to the side. That blue is absolutely gorgeous. That's brilliant. Obviously no charger. I'm gonna harp on about that because that's just ridiculous. And the excuse that it's environmentally friendly is absolute bullshit. Apple, all you have to do is use the same bloody charger as the rest of the world, USB-C, and you'd be saving many, many more turtles from certain death. Instead, they give you a USB-C to Lightning port, and the cable is not particularly long either. So now you're gonna have to get a charger that has got a USB-C, which costs another $30 or $40, depending on which wattage you want, because if you want to charge this quickly, you're gonna have to get that. And what else do we have? We've got, oh, look at that. They give us a little piece of metal to get the SIM card out. Great, that's really, really useful. And that's it, that's all the box there is. I mean, it's embarrassing. But you know what's gonna happen? Samsung is gonna follow along and they're gonna not put chargers in their phones just the same way as they took away the bloody 3.5mm jack. And so here we have the next generation of iPhone. Friends, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. There will be a review coming soon, and I'll let you know what I think about the iPhone 12 Pro Blue Edition, because that's what it is, it's just blue. Thanks, and bye!